In this video, let me show you how to fix Spotify search not working. So if you're facing this issue within your Spotify application, the first thing that you can look for is check if your connection is strong. If your connection is having issues, this also might be causing this exact error. So in this situation, either you can try switching your network connection. If you're currently connected to Wi-Fi, try switching to your cellular data and vice versa. Also make sure you turn off any sort of VPNs if you are currently connected to one. Now, if this is not the case for you and doing both of these steps does not solve your issue, the other thing that you can try out is just try to log out of your Spotify application and try to log in back. Sometimes doing this simple step alone should solve these sort of issues. But however, if this also does not solve the issue, the last thing that you can try out is just reinstall the application of Spotify onto your device, meaning just uninstall and then re-download. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like. I'm going to see you in the next one.